In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a TikTok album cover trend video on your TikTok account on your mobile phone. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. First of all, you want to make sure to have a photo of the album. So let's say that I want to use this one. You simply click on it and you then take a screenshot, right? So right now I'm going to take a screenshot. There we go. So you simply want to make sure that you have a album picture in your gallery. Next up, you want to go to TikTok and you want to click on the plus icon and you want to start filming. So right now, you simply want to record yourself or whatever that you want to record before the album. So start recording and then pretty much release the button once you're done with that part. So right now, as you can see at the top left corner, it saves the video that you filmed so far. So don't touch it and don't click on the check mark in the right bottom corner yet. What you want to do right now is click on effects at the bottom left corner. And then right there you'll see trending and you'll see this green, two green pictures, right? Or like pictograms. Right there you can click on one with the gallery icon. I'll put a circle around it so that you can see which one it is. You want to click on it. You then want to click on the picture. And you then want to start filming, so you want to hold the record button, and there you go. You're done. Click on the check mark, and there you go. So right now you can then add text to this part if you want to, and then within a few seconds you'll see the album, and that's how you can make a TikTok album cover trend post. So it's pretty simple. Make sure that you have a picture of your album. Start filming. Then once you're done with that, you want to click effects and then click on the picture icon, and that's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, please leave a like, let me know in the comments if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.